here at the shop with this green Emerson Designer. This is what the designers of, I believe, the 90s look like, with the kind of a builder crossed with a Panama. And I thought this seemed like a kind of a cheap fan when I had it just kicking around the shop, but hanging it up here, it's actually quite a quality fan. I'm not sure if these are made by King of Fans or who makes them, but it's much more solidly built than you would think, and seems to perform really well. So let's give it a shot. I believe I have the pull chain set to low. Let's turn the amp meter on. I got a fresh battery in the amp meter, so that's going to do some wonders. Okay, on low it's drawing 0.18. You didn't happen to look at the tag to see what it's supposed to draw on high, did you?
I did not.
So it's actually a much richer green than it's coming across here in the shop lighting. I don't know why that is. Andy's video will probably be more accurate color-wise than mine. It's actually like a rich forest green. In my viewfinder, it's coming across as kind of a grayish green. This might be the first chink in the armor of the new lighting. It worked great for the last couple videos, but maybe it's not combining well with the sunlight. Maybe if I block the sunlight? No. I don't know. Okay. Medium. 0.33. High. 0.58. And I am going to actually turn the heaters off and give it a genuine airflow test with no interference, just because I haven't tested this type of fan before. Turn off the blender fan. Okay, it's a pretty good air mover from this distance. Sucks it's the first fan of the day and I have nothing to compare it to. It's at least it's well easily into the spinner motor homestead, spinner motor hunter category. It's been so long since I've done a genuine airflow test, I can't tell you if it compares to the K55 type fans. But it's solidly into the quality spinner motor fan categories. You want to check it out for yourself, Andy? Or you?
Sure.
Before I turn everything back on.
Alright, so we're here. This is the spot.
We don't normally come here in the daytime. It's one of the last times we were here in the daytime, there was a bird.
Yes, I remember that.
Yeah.
That was back in August of last year.
Was it that long ago?
Yes. Yeah, I'm feeling air from it.
Yeah?
From over here. It's making a little bit of cardboard shreds move.
That's true. Yeah, it's pretty impressive for what seems like a very lightweight spinner motor. I would probably say it's very comparable to those design houses with the spinner motor that I have a love-hate relationship with. That's another fan that I had and did not realize. Did I turn everything back on over there? I did. Did not realize that the performance did not match the appearance. Although those definitely come across as a cheaper fan, and this once you hang it, you realize it's quality. Whereas those, even hanging it, they seem cheap. I wish I could get a more accurate read on how green that green is. It's still coming across as like a grayish, bluish green even when I put it close up like this. Let's see if I can. Nope. Maybe it's my new lighting.
Which is kind of odd because you're using less fluorescent and more sort of daylight quality, or not daylight quality, tungsten quality light, right?
Those are fluorescents.
Are they?
Yeah. What I might want to get is some LEDs.
Yes.
Okay, let's do reverse. Oh, that was turned it off over here, so 0.19. I'm guessing the current draw is going to be exactly the same. Yeah, those are really high-end CFL powers, but they're still CFL powers. They were like $40 ones that I got on clearance for $1 a piece when LEDs first started to become, a thing. I bought a whole bunch for 12 wings and ended up never using them because by that time we were like, oh, LEDs. 0.33. But they're the same bulbs that I had in the fixtures down here. Remember the fixtures I used to use down there?
Mm-hmm.
The same bulbs I had in there. I just relocated them because I had to use those fixtures elsewhere. And okay. 0.59 in reverse high. Would you like to do the controls, or do you not
Sure.
care?
I can do that. Yep. There we
Oh, too far. I was close though.
go. Okay.
Okay, well, I'm gonna find something to set my camera against.